Hey, what's up, everybody? It's X-Ray here. X-Dizzle Ray. X-Ray. Welcome to my channel. So right now I'm in Iowa. And guess what? Just like last time, it's a snowstorm. Y'all want to see? Look at that snowstorm. Now I know you guys are thinking, oh Ray, that ain't that bad. Get out of here. You driving that. You do not want to drive now. You see how much snow just got pushed over to the side? Yeah. Anyways, yeah, you see these trucks? You see that truck over there? That truck right there? That truck over there? Yeah, a lot of these trucks are not moving for a reason. Because the roads are slippery. The temperature is like 12, probably 12 degrees. Yeah, it is cold in my truck. Luckily, I have a really thick jacket. I have a sweater on. I have a long sleeve t-shirt. I have a regular t-shirt, and I have my snow jacket. Then I have my regular pants, and I have some sweatpants underneath. So I'm warm. Look. You can't even see it. Dang it. Yeah, you can't see it. It's cold. Look at that. You can somewhat see the snow. Anyways, yep. I mean, look. It was already getting covered up again. You can barely see out the window. So anyways, yep. This is my life. It's all good. You know why? Because I'm still getting paid just to sit here. Now, yeah, that truck is moving. Some of them are moving, but for the most part, some of them are like, screw that. Nope, I'm good. And I'm one of those. Shoot. It's cold. Yep. Anyways, love you guys. Bye.